Hey, hello everyone. I'm DJ Mustang, and today we're going to solve a Try Hack Me machine. This machine is absolutely free. You just have to sign up on this portal, and you're good to go. So the machine name is Wonderland, and we'll quickly start the machine. And I can see the hatter over here. Yeah, Mad Hatter. Okay, so basically this it will take 60 seconds to spawn this machine. So we'll wait 50 seconds. Okay, so machine is spawned 10 10 72 72 and 106. We'll quickly unmap this thing. Sudo unmap. Okay, we'll just quickly change the IP address. That is 10 10 72 106, and I'll quickly explain the switches. SC is for scripts, SS for service version, SV is for service version, SS for still scan, A is an OS detection, PN as in being visible, and P and this one P is for to scan all the ports. So it will take time. We have a saved output. We'll quickly check cat Wonderland map. So this is the nmap result, and I can see two ports are open, two services, SSH and HTTP. Yeah, I mean we don't have credentials, so we'll skip this one SSH and we'll go with the HTTP 80. Uh, so this IP, will quickly copy this IP 10 10 72 106. So we'll quickly go here HTTP, and yeah, so follow the rabbit, white rabbit. Yeah, it's I feel like I'm watching the movie. Like in the movie, Alice follow the white rabbit. So like that, we have to, follow this rabbit. We'll quickly, check the robots.txt if is there any, link available. No. So we'll do one thing. We'll quickly copy this thing and we'll open the databuster for to enumerate the directories on the web server. Yes, we'll go fast because we don't have time. And yes, then user share, then word list. Where's the word list? Then databuster, correct, and this one, and we're good to go. So now it starts enumerating. I can see one directory is there, image directory. We'll copy this thing and we'll see first what is this. Okay, just three images are there. I don't think so. It's so juicy stuff. We'll check other directories. So I can see R A B B I. Okay, maybe that's what they are trying to say. Follow the white rabbit, like an Alice in Wonderland movie. So okay, I guess this is the end. Rabbit. That's what I believe the spelling of rabbit. So okay, so we are entered into the rabbit hole, and now it's like a movie. She got the key, and she'll open the door. So that's what they are saying over here. Open the door and enter the Wonderland. So after this, we'll end up in the Wonderland. So I don't think so. It's just an image. We'll check the page source, and I can see something. Yeah, we'll enter in the. So that means Alice will enter into the Wonderland. So we'll quickly copy this thing. These are the SSH credentials. So we'll stop this thing over here, and SSH Alice at this IP address is 10.10.72.104. That's correct, I believe. It's 72106, sorry. So quickly, okay, yes, and we know the password, so it's just paste it. Okay, so we are logged into the Alice account, and ID is 1001. So now we'll see where we are. Basically, it's in the home Alice. How many directories how many directories are there in the same folder? It's a root.txt and walrus. This Python script is there. So we'll first try to escalate the privileges with the sudo val. We'll see is there any hint for this. Yes, we have a password for Alice. Let's copy this thing and paste it, and yeah, we are good to go. So they are saying this rabbit user can run this python 3 and this script we are in the same folder, so I can able to see this script over here. First we'll read the script, what is inside the script. So from the top, if I'll start, it's import random, and then some poem is there. So first of all, over here they are importing some libraries from random, and basically random is a customized library. So we'll create one, and then we'll provide, or will provide that import random library to this code. So let's create one random library. For that we need you know script, that python script we need. So for the help, we'll go with the gta for bin. So we need a python script, so gtfo bins, and yes, we need a python script. So we'll copy this thing. We're not going to copy the entire thing, because that script directly fetched into the python code, so we don't need to write this python and c thing. We just have to create new random.py in the same directory, so that the directory will fetch this file. Sorry, that python file will fetch this library from the same folder. And yes, so chmod 777 random.py. Now we are good to go, I guess. Yep. So now we'll run this file with the rabbit user. We'll directly copy this thing. Okay, so we'll write this thing sudo -u as a user. A user is a rabbit, and the file path. Okay, so who am I? We have all escalated privileges. Now we are into the rabbit account. So we'll see uh, what other users are there. We'll go out of this directory, and I can see Alice is there, Rabbit is there, and Try Hack Me, and the Hatter is there. Yeah, Mad Hatter, you can say. So now I mean, we have Alice account and we have escalated to Rabbit. Now we'll go to the Mad Hatter. So before that, we'll search for the clues, or we'll search for the hints. uh, so we'll go into the Rabbit folder, and yeah, I can see the tea party. So Mad Hatter is going to host this tea party, I guess. We'll quickly check. This is basically the file and not the directory. So we'll see what is this tea party cat. Uh, Maybe I need a string. So we'll strings. Okay, this box doesn't have strings, so we can adjust with the cat command. We can partially read this thing. What is written over here? STR, then probably the Mad Hatter. Yeah, I was right. The Mad Hatter will be here soon. Ben Echo. See what they're trying to do over here. Probably by and date. So they are fetching this, date parameter, uh, maybe from the system. Let's see what kind of date parameter is fetching. So we'll run this tea party first, and we'll see how this file is working. See, it's showing the 30 March, and today is also 13 March, sorry, 13th March. So basically it is fetching from the same from the date system date parameter. So again we'll do the same thing. We'll make a nano date file in the same folder, and then what, we need a script. So we'll go to the GTF open again, and we'll say bash script. Yeah, it's there. And what GTF open is saying, okay, just write bash. Okay, so we'll just write bash, control X, yes, and we're good to go. So now change the permission, and I guess now it will work. Party. No, it's not working. It's still taking the same date parameter, because it is calling from the bin. So we'll do one thing, we'll set a path, so it will fetch our date, this date file. So we'll export the path. First of all, we'll see where we are, pwd home rabbit, and then we'll export the path. Sorry, export path is equal to home and rabbit, and then our path will append with our path, and we're good to go, I guess. Now it will work. Party. Yeah, now welcome to the tea party, and the Mad Hatter will be here soon. And now it actually, you know, uh, it actually fetched our date file and not the system's date file for date library. So now the Hatter, we have escalated our privileges to the Hatter. Will go out of this, and now we'll see what is left. Now we'll go to the Hatters directory first, and we'll decide what is this Hatter ls -lf. It's now I can see the password.txt, so cat password.txt, and I can see the password, uh, copy, and we'll paste it into the notepad. Okay, now this password is maybe of root, so we'll try to escalate our privileges to root, and the password we have maybe this is the password of root, I hope. No, so that means this is not the password of root. Authentication failed. Maybe try hack me. Try hack me. Okay, we have a password. No. So so this is a password of hatter. Yeah, correct. So this is a password of hatter. We'll do one thing. Now we are already into the hatter account. So we'll we'll run the linpace. So for that I have a lean piece in my local machine. Yeah, lean piece is there. So we'll run Python on my local machine, Python 3 and 9999. Then we'll fetch this file. Probably we'll get into the temp folder, and then wget http and the IP. Oh, sorry, I have config. I forgot. So 10.9.55.241, and here we go. So 9999 and oh, sorry, start sh. So now we got the file .sh. Oh, sorry, it's a lane piece, not chmod 777 and lane piece.sh. Now we are good to go. Okay, so we have finished this lane piece, and we'll see from the top what we have. I can see the two weaknesses in the orange. The first one is this one, so we'll check first this one. What they're saying, potentially vulnerable to 22 also, but this one is we have more chances, so we'll you know google it out. What is this? Exploit, obviously. It's not okay. So this is the exploit 4034. So we'll check. Okay, basically it's a C exploit, pawnkit.c, and something C is there. So first we have to identify whether this system have a GCC compiler or not. GCC help, GCC help. No, so GCC compiler is not there. That means we cannot use this exploit on this machine. Okay, then next what? PWD, then okay, then there was a one more orange highlight it. Where is that? And then we'll okay. So this second thing is things are showing in the orange. That means we'll see what is this. These are basically capabilities. And if I search on the Google what is a capabilities, capabilities in uh, Linux, then it will show you something. The Linux capabilities features breaks up the privilege available to processes run as the root user into the smaller group of privileges. So basically, um, some task can be run as a privileged user, as a root user. So that's how these Perl is running. So we'll use this Perl framework to escalate the privileges. So again, we'll use the same thing, GTFO bin. So GTFO bin scripts. So GTFO bins, and we need a Perl script. So I'll just type in that way. So shell we don't want, reverse shell we don't want, file read no, SUID no, we want capabilities. So we'll just copy this code, Perl, because Perl is inside the bin directory, so we can call it from anywhere. So that's the reason I'm not copying this thing, and I'm not going to that folder and then calling the Perl. I'm just copying this thing and pasting over here. That's it. And who am I? Root. So it was pretty easy and fun to root this box. Uh, so thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.